your credit score starts with a 3, 4, 5, or a 6, there is a new, more powerful AI credit repair software out there that anyone can use. On today's episode, I'm going to expose how easy it truly is to work on your credit if you choose that you want to use AI credit repair, because AI credit repair is hands down going to take over the industry across the United States in credit repair. And no, this is not ChatGPT. A lot of people want to say, oh, you can just use ChatGPT, throw some prompts at it. The problem is it is not advanced enough and it does not have enough results to compare, and it hasn't been creating enough, and it really truly doesn't understand the credit reporting process because nobody has trained it to. I want everyone out there that's going to watch this video to understand that you are up against a machine at the credit reporting agencies. Now, a lot of people believe that there's like a human being that's sitting there reading these letters, sending you a response. That's not how it works. Imagine they're receiving possibly millions of letters every single day. There's no way for them to have that many human beings sitting around, open up envelopes and reading letters. It just doesn't work that way. The machine that you're going to have to go up against is called eOscar. Now, eOscar was not designed to help the actual consumer. It's actually designed to help the credit reporting agencies speed up the process, get this over with, and get your response to you as fast as they possibly can and get you out of their hair. What consumers don't understand is that the credit reporting agencies make more money off of you when you have a low credit score, because your data, all of your information is very valuable. The credit reporting agencies make millions of dollars from selling your data to subprime borrowing companies. They don't make money off of selling you credit reports. That's a huge misconception. So as long as they can keep you down, keep your credit score down, then you're much more valuable. They can sell that information to another party, another subprime borrower that can come after you, and you get an email, you get an actual text message, you get all these types of things where people are trying to offer you all these subprime lending options at high interest rates. And that's why you have to fix your credit. And AI credit repair is the most powerful thing out right now in the industry besides using an attorney. I want to be very clear again that this is not ChatGPT, and this is not the washed up template letter system of Creditversio, and it's damn sure not Dovely, the one that can only pull your credit reports from TransUnion. I mean, that's just crazy to me.
You guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam. Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? That's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
And credit repair companies can't tell you that they can't scale and get to 100 clients by manually looking at credit reports and manually creating letters, manually creating envelopes. None of that can be done unless you have a lot of human beings that are doing a lot of work really fast. And it's just impossible. So that's why software is needed when you are doing credit repair. And that's why I helped create the most advanced, most powerful software out there using Metro 2 compliance. Think about it. It's cheaper, easier, and faster to build out a database full of template letters, and then the system just picks one out, and then you can call it AI credit repair, and everyone's going to use it because no one knows the difference in a template letter versus using Metro 2 compliance attacking. Consumers have no idea that Metro 2 compliance even exists because everyone's been fooled that all these template letters work. DisputeBeast is the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. And guess what? This is not a sponsored video because I do in fact own DisputeBeast.
I built this shit! Me! Brick by brick!
DisputeBeast will scan your credit reports looking for any collections, charge-offs, late payments, medical collections, bankruptcies, student loans in default, child support, hard inquiries, any negative item that is hurting your credit. DisputeBeast is going to hunt it down and find it. It's going to create a custom dispute flow to your specific issues, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters for the 3 major credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But it doesn't just stop there, ladies and gentlemen, because we do care and we know what we're doing. It's also going to attack the creditors and third-party credit reporting agencies. No, you don't need to freeze them. As I've told you before, it's going to actually attack them directly. Last part's the most important. No other software does that because they just don't care. DisputeBeast leaves no stone unturned, giving you the ability to perform credit repair at the highest level. Now let me show you how easy it is to actually use DisputeBeast. Once you create your DisputeBeast account, then it's going to ask you to set up your Beast credit monitoring. Everything is in one place. Now once you do that, then it's going to ask you to upload your information, all your documents, and once you've completed all that, it's going to take you to this page right here, and you're going to get started in creating your dispute letters.
But let me walk you through a better example. So you're gonna upload your driver's license, your social security card. I highly suggest that you do your social security card also, because this is going to solidify that it's actually you. And then you click the Get Started button, of course. And then you're gonna click that button that says Generate a Tax. You'll see everything here in your hub in one place. All the negative accounts, your score, your utilization, all the important things. Then once you click that button, you're gonna see it's gonna highlight all the negative accounts. And then you're gonna see all the hard inquiries. If you want to attack hard inquiries, you can click on the ones you want to attack. It's not going to let you attack any negative item that can, any item that can hurt your credit. So if it's like a positive item that you shouldn't be attacking, DisputeBeast won't let you fail. It will stop you and let you know, like, yo, don't do that, because you can ruin your credit. It warns you, unlike any other software out there. Then you click Start Attack, and it starts to analyze, and it's generating its attack. It's creating your custom metro to attack letters per your specific issues that are on your credit reports, which makes it very unique. Bam, look at it, it's just that fast, literally, it's crazy. So then you see right there is your option to mail yourself. Coming soon, pay attention to that little bar up there. We got our actual TransUnion letters. Now you see how there's 3 letters. It's not just one letter. That's the best part about it. You don't just get one letter. You're getting all the letters that you need to attack in that first round. And then you're gonna get your Experian letters. Now, if you pay attention, we'll scroll down just a little bit so you can see there's a creditor letter. There you go. Then there's an Equifax letter. And then all the third-party credit reporting agencies that nobody else attacks. Then you're gonna download them, very simple. You can download them onto your computer, onto your phone. You'll save them. And then you'll see all your letters. It'll save it like in a zip file. And those are all of your letters. Already ready for you, locked and loaded. You gotta print them out. It even shows you what your actual envelopes should look like when you're mailing it out, so it actually looks proper. And then you're pretty much done.
If you're ready to fix your credit, make sure to comment DisputeBeast to get started today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We did cover one of the most powerful new AI credit repair softwares out there, DisputeBeast. Now make sure that you watch the next video because it is about Capital One and how to get a credit limit increase on your Capital One credit card. If you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.